Hey everyone, Pamela Curtis here. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I'm beginning to do some projects at the Country Cottage. I've brought some things up from the coastal home and they are just so beautiful, these wonderful sunflowers. And I'm going to present to you in the next video some easy ways to decorate, getting ready for autumn, and also update you all on my projects that I mentioned to you in the gardens, because this is the time when the weather is more comfortable and there's things, lots of things that need to be done. If you have any questions, let me know. You know where to reach me at my websites, and you can comment below. In the meantime, you all have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out the latest videos, and I'll see you all again next time. I'm so excited for the new season, and I'm sure that you all are too. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you are assured to get notifications of the new videos. This was brought to you by Pamela M. Curtis, House and Gardens, and Garden Reply.